Are you looking for the best hand tool set with toolbox for your home? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll introduce you to the best hand tool sets on the market today, and we'll also give you advice on how to choose the perfect one for your needs. We'll also discuss the different types of hand tool sets available, and we'll provide you with recommendations on the best one for your home. So let's get started. List number 1. Apollo Tools DT9706 Original 39-piece. The original 39-piece original DT9706 General Use DIY Repair Toolkit is an essential household toolkit that provides you with the essentials you'll need in the event of an emergency repair. With all the most common household tools necessary to get your home back up and running, this compact tool pack is perfect for DIY projects on any day of the week. It includes 8 ounces claw hammer, slip joint pliers used for grasping and turning, tape measure, utility knife, bit driver with 2-bit extension and 20 most popular bit sizes, precision screwdrivers for small screws, 8 hex keys and a pair of scissors. Tools are neatly stored in a sturdy case to keep them secure, clean, organized and easy to find. The DT9706 original 39-piece general toolkit with over 1 million units sold worldwide is perfect for the home handyman looking to do repairs around the house. The 39-piece general toolkit contains the tools you need for most repairs around the house. It is a great starter kit with high-quality tools contained in a sturdy and handy case. All our tools are chrome-plated to resist corrosion and heat-treated for strength. They come in a blown molded case that is sturdy and convenient. The tools you need for everyday projects in an easy-to-carry, easy-to-store case. Everything you need for small tasks around the house including wrench, hammer, knife, scissors, hex keys and screwdriver set. Quality and convenience in one handsome box. List number 2. Deco Pro 168-piece socket wrench auto repair tool. Deco Pro 168-piece socket wrench auto repair tool contains 68 PCS, set of 10 PCS, set of 10 PCS wrenches, ratchets, sockets, pliers and etc. The 72-tooth ratchet easily shift to change direction by 5-degree flick of switch. Contains tools needed for most small repairs and basic DIY projects around the house. Perfect for handymans, repairmen, construction workers and others. This 100% American-made, 72-tooth ratcheting wrench set is designed for use on both rigid and soft materials. The forged steel construction, chrome-plated gears and safety locking pins provide the durability to withstand year after year of heavy usage. The set has a short, medium and long-handled ratchets, standard and universal 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch metric sockets, 3/4 inch combination wrench, 6-in-box, socket extension set, 17 pieces of screwdrivers, Phillips Futura, slotted, Phillips, flat tip hexagon point, Posey, flathead, Torx head bits including star bit. Also includes pair of pliers with soft grip handles for easy gripping. All these professional quality wrenches are made from forged steel that provides strength and durability. Each have been precision aligned with laser spot every 1 micron ensuring exact fit. Black case makes it dirt resistant. Diamond shape design makes it unique and fashion. List number 3. Household hand tools. Stalwart Tools is made from durable metal construction giving you the ultimate precision. Great for DIY projects or everyday home improvements. This well-organized kit comes in a compact durable plastic carrying case that fits anywhere in your home, apartment, garage, or even the car. Carrying case dimensions, 2 by 9 by 11 inches. 130-piece tool set is designed to tackle all assembly, maintenance, and repair projects around the house or office. Fixing leaky kitchen or bathroom faucets, hanging up pictures, or tightening up a loose screw on your bike. Your home is your sanctuary, and we want to give you the space make it easier to live with fewer messes. This household toolkit features a compact, durable plastic carrying case that fits anywhere in your home or apartment, ensuring that all of your hand tools are within easy reach. The 130-piece tool set is designed to tackle all assembly, maintenance, and repair projects around the house or office. Everything you need in a household toolkit in one handy traveling case. Soft grip carrying handle makes it easy to carry the toolbox wherever you go. List number 4. Deco Pro 100-piece tool set. This DEKOPRO tool set is a perfect addition to your garage or workplace. It is composed of high-quality tools that are designed to be functional, durable and reliable. The hex key wrenches exert a force on the screw through the torque application, which greatly reduces the user's strength. These tools contain also a steel wrench that can be used to tighten the two specifications of screws, thereby expanding the scope of use. These tools are complemented with a rip claw hammer and adjustable wrench, which can be adjusted according to the need over time. These small accessories add up functionality to your individual needs. Make them useful by using them on a daily basis. This 100-piece tool set is the perfect setup for any home, garage, or toolbox. The item offers 5 different reliable SAE bits and sockets, all designed to provide precise application of torque and impact force. The hex key wrenches and other quality tools come in handy for many applications, including plumbing, automotive repair, sheet metal and electrical work. Contains tools needed for most small repairs and basic DIY projects around the house. Home spare. A combination of a variety of basic tools, precision screwdrivers, hammers, tape measure, pliers and so on. Also has a dual-function mini small ratchet wrench, and wrench sleeve. Limited tools with unlimited functionality. List number 5. Dowel Tool Set 49-piece. This household toolkit contains tools for small repairs and basic DIY projects like picture hanging, furniture assembling, lighting, screw tightening, woodwork, plumbing repair, around the house and so on. The quality of this set is excellent. Made of high-quality steel and finished in high polish chrome, it is durable and corrosion resistant. Handles are made of TPR material which is comfortable to grip. This combo has a variety of basic tools like screwdrivers, hammer, adjustable wrench set, etc. An ideal gift for homeowners and handymen who need to fix small things around their house or office. A combination of various functions make this kit an excellent choice for home use. Also ideal for any DIY project around the house or garage. A huge 49-piece, high-quality tool set perfect for working around the house and family, or as a gift for that person who has everything. This handy 49-piece tool set contains a huge variety of basic tools such as pliers, screwdrivers, hex keys and much more. With bags designed specifically for storing all of the tools in one place, this set is perfect for the DIYer or just someone wanting to complete minor repairs around their home. This toolkit comes with a sturdy blow-molded case for easy storage and portability. Sturdy interior and organizers of this toolbox keep tools in place.